So in this video, I will show you how to enable ChatGPT for voice on your Android phone. So follow this easy and updated way to enable your ChatGPT voice. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for ChatGPT. And if you don't have installed yet, just install the ChatGPT app. And if you already installed ChatGPT, then make sure to update if any update available. Okay, now just go ahead and open your ChatGPT and make sure to log into your ChatGPT account. And now just tap on this headphone icon at the bottom right corner. Here you will find 4 different voice for ChatGPT. You can go ahead and select any of them.
Hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump?
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going?
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work. Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So
Now
if there's
tap
anything
on
you'd like me to
confirm.
focus on first.
And allow ChatGPT to record audio. Allow permission. And it may take some moments to connect ChatGPT voice to your phone. Hey, how are you?
It sounds like you're trying to connect to ChatGPT's voice feature on your phone. Do you need any help with that, or you...
So as you can see, I've successfully enabled ChatGPT voice on my Android phone. Now on to use ChatGPT voice, just open ChatGPT app and tap on this headphone icon. Hey, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?